As you can see here, we've got a whole bunch of numbers, but it doesn't seem to be seen as a number. We've tried the value formula and it's not working, so we somehow need to get that to be a number. If I investigate this cell, I can see that it looks like, let me try deleting the comma. Okay, so that seems to work. So let's see how we can remove all these commas. So I'm going to highlight them. We can use the find replace tool. So that's Control H. Or you could go here. And what we're going to tell Excel is please find the commas and replace it with nothing. And just make sure that's all clear. When I say replace all, notice that it's gone, replace the comma, and then Excel immediately recognizes it as a number. If we look at this list here, if we investigate it, we'll discover that there's actually two spaces there. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go find replace. And when I'm going to, by the find what, I'm going to hit the space bar twice. And then I'm going to go to replace. Just make sure it's empty by just deleting everything. And when I say replace all, you'll see it replaces it. And then Excel recognizes it as a number.